What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator, and welcome back to bag number 3 of my Michaels grab bag unbagging or unboxings. You guys, I can't wait to see what's in this bag because this is the heaviest bag and I'm hoping that I saved the best for last. It's super heavy. Again, it's double bagged like the others because I was getting some of those tinsel trees and I think they're just poking through every single bag. They're just totally ripping the bags. See right here? I can't wait to see what's in this one. Let's see if I can get it open. And also, you guys, sometime during the haul, I'm going to share with you some cute sticker books that I got for just $1 at Michaels. No, they weren't part of the grab bag sale. I think I'm just going to rip this bag open. Okay. But I really want to show you guys those stickers, so hopefully I don't forget. But I love the new spring stickers. They are so cute. Okay, let's take the tree out first. I have a red tree, and again, this was $8.99 originally. No green trees so far, you guys. I've been getting gold and red. That's it. Oh man, he is really stuck in there. Another red tree, and these are all by Celebrate It. Oh, this is so cute, you guys. Look at this. It's a micro mini. It's a whimsy. It's like a little hot air balloon and a cute glittery cloud with a sun. These are so cute. It says add to glass containers, plants, or any craft project. I love these. Aww. These are by Sparrow Innovations. I don't know how much these were. There's no price tag on here. But this is so cute. I really love the sunshine. And the hot air balloon is kind of special. Birdy says that's her spirit animal. Because there's been times where we've seen hot air balloons after we leave gymnastics, and it's just like so amazing to see a hot air balloon up close. So I think there's somewhere near her gymnastics where people, you know, set off on hot air balloons, and it's just so awesome to see them up close. So she'll probably want that in some little plant or something cute. Right away, I'm seeing a $1 elf cookie cutter. This is a ceramic jewelry holder, and it looks like the letter E. These were originally $10. It's pretty big. And I have a family member that has E at the beginning of her name. Oh, and look, you guys, another one. O. My niece's name actually starts with an O. So maybe one day when she gets a little older, I'll give that to her. Oh, look at this, you guys. This was originally $12.99. And it's like a cute little berry parfait. And it's in a little glass dish. So cute. What is this? I got this little thing, whatever this is supposed to be. There's a little thing at the bottom where you can turn it on, but nothing's happening. This was, oh, I thought that was the price sticker. Huh. It might be broken, you guys. See? I don't know. I'm imagining that the fire and the candles light up. But maybe it was in here because it was broken. Okay, so I don't know. I'm going to put that with the broken pile. And next, these are some little foam tag kits. You get 36 pieces. It makes 6, and these were $2.99. What do we get? We get 6 foam shapes, 24 foam stickers, and 6 strings. So the kids are going to be having fun making all sorts of foam related things next year. Oh man, more trees, you guys. Why? This is the risk. This is the chance you take getting grab bags. I was reading your mind. One of you was about to say that in the comment. One of you was thinking that these could be cute little Valentine's Day trees, right? Little red trees. So 2 more trees. So I've gotten 4 red trees in this bag alone, not to count my other trees. Here are all my other trees, you guys, that I have from past unboxings or, you know, bag number 1 and 2. Maybe we could create a little scene with little kids. The trees are really cute. And what do we have on the bottom? This was $12.99. Oh, I guess there's not a light up option. Tiny Treasures, Celebrate It. Okay, mini embellishment. This was $9.99, you guys. And it's just like a little door front. I like this here. Really cute. It's actually not an ornament. It just says it's a mini embellishment. Kind of cute. I don't really know what I would use it for, but I like it. I have a couple more ornaments. A football one. This time we actually have the hook and the string. If you guys remember my other one, I think it was bag 2. I had a soccer one and it didn't have the hook or the string. So this is a little football one. This was originally $2.99 here in the US, $4.99 in Canada. And this is the one that I got that actually isn't broken. It has the hook and the string. And these were $2.99. Okay, you guys, let's go ahead and look at these sticker books and then I'll show you what I have left in my bag. So I got 2 of the Camp Fur. Again, these are dollar sticker books. 2 of the Camp Fur because I loved it so much. Again, these are just $1 and they're by Creatology. They are so cute, you guys. They really have some cute spring sticker books out. I am totally in love with them. These would work for spring or summer. And guess what, you guys? They have cactus. These are so cute. I was so excited by these cactus that I went live on Instagram showing you a quick flip through of these. Here's the 3rd page and then it repeats for pages 4, 5, and 6. You guys, this one is super cute too. It's called Let's Go on a Road Trip. And guess what? We have, guess what? We have cactus. These are so adorable. And page 3, we have cute palm trees, more cactus, well, just one of them. We even have a cute little flamingo. These are so adorable. I am really happy with these stickers. So again, Camp Fur, Let's Go on a Road Trip, and in one of my other Michael's grab bag hauls, I showed this one, Little Cuties. If you guys love kawaii, then you'll love this one too. I showed this one in another haul. This is the Little Cuties book. And yes, it does have cactus. I love the little avocados. It is so adorable. Let's see. Did I miss a page? Oh yeah, and then this one. The little olives, the Band-Aids, the sushi, the balloon animals. I love this set too. I love them so much. Okay, you guys, let's get back to what I have left in my bag. I have so many stamps. You guys, I have so many stamps. It's ridiculous, actually, how many stamps I have. Okay, let's see if I can kind of condense these. We have the gingerbread. I have one of him already. We have, what else? Oh, I didn't get one of these yet. This is the little snowman or the snowmen. We get 4 of them. We have Let It Snow. I don't have that one yet either. Let It Snow, so cute. I do have the Christmas tree one already. I have that. A bunch of little trees. We have, what, Happy Holidays. Let's see if I can gather some of these together. I have the Happy Holidays already. That's what it looks like. We have Believe. Believe. I think I might have this one already. I don't remember. I think I do. I have some Hanukkah ones. How many? I think I have 2 Hanukkah ones. 3. 3 Hanukkahs. 3 Hanukkahs. I just turned that 3rd one around so you guys can see what the stamp looks like. I think these are also Hanukkah ones. 8 nights, 8 lights. Here's what they look like.
What else do I have? Another ho ho ho. Another tree. We have the Peace on Earth. That's what the stamp looks like. 3 more Naughty is Very Nice.
They gave me so many stamps in this bag. I was going to say she's a gingerbread girl, but she's not. I don't have her yet. And she is a little girl elf, and I think she is so cute. A little cute elf. So yay, I got a new one. And then the little gingerbread again. Another gingerbread. Ooh, look at this one, you guys. I got a deer. It's actually a buck because he has the antlers. Or maybe we'll just call him a reindeer. Really nice. Merry Christmas with the holly. I don't think I have this one.
Another ho ho ho. And last but not least, I have
Peace. 29 stamps just from this bag. This is how many stamps I ended up getting total from all 3 bags. Well, hey you guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this as much as I loved filming this for you and showing you everything that I had and just having all the excitement of opening the bag. But anyways, you guys, I would love for you to hit the thumbs up button, share this video with your friends and family, anyone that would appreciate an unbagging or an unboxing as much as you do. I know they are super fun to watch because they really capture that element of a good surprise, and all of us need a good surprise every once in a while, right? I mean, I know I do. I just love a surprise. But all right, you guys, hit the thumbs up button, share with me down in the comments below, and if you haven't yet, please go ahead and hit that little button and subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.